Welcome back to another Playmo AF unboxing and review video. Today we're taking a look at the Playmobil Family Fun set number 70112, the Sunburner, the Sun Tanner, the Sunbather. It's a little bit of all three of those, and as you can see, there's something new about this figure that we've never seen before from Playmobil. Depending on the level of light he's exposed to, your Sunbather will actually start to sunburn. What an incredible idea!
What an incredible smell you've discovered!
As you can see, there's quite a bit going on over here. The Sunbather again is on the raft, and he's got a little companion over on the beach with quite a few accessories. It looks like they had to cram everything over to one side since they got so much going on over here. This box also does not, oh no, it doesn't overflow into the sides. You've got a cropped image over here on this side, and then this side has the perforation where it shows you where to open it up. The top of the box has the manufacturer and distributor here. The bottom of the box has our standard choking hazard warnings, and then the back has all the contents photographed separately, as well as the continuation of the choking hazard warnings. And then also it has three other summer themed, beach themed, and swimming pool, it looks like, themed items here for you to purchase. Well, that's enough of the packaging details. Let's go ahead and crack this one open and see what's inside. Alright, the first little bag here has a few of the accessories. We got the drinks and the ice cream sandwich. What could be either a rolled up towel or a rolled up newspaper. That's weird. I don't know what I'm looking at. We'll find out, I guess. And then the bottle and the suntan lotion. Right away, here's our Sunbather in all of his, well, almost all of his glory. That's not what kind of show this is. And then here's his hat. Looks pretty cool. When he sunburns, you can see the pattern of where a pair of sunglasses would be. But apparently, he does not have any sunglasses on. I don't know if he's got a reversible head, which he does not. So that explains that. Maybe he just took them off or lost them in the water. Who knows? And here's our little boy to go with him. And he's wearing a pair of yellow swim trunks. And here's his blue hat to keep some of those sun's rays off of him. Keep him safe from all the sunburning. Here's the raft. Here's the cooler. It does open and close. Here's one pair of sandals. Here's the other pair of sandals. Here's our coconut drink, some assembly required. We did get an extra lid and straw. One day this will be useful to us. Still trying to figure out what this one is. Here's our towel, and here's our stickers. We recently did a review on our ice cream cart, so this would be a nice little addition just to keep everything together. That's where the smaller sticker goes to the ice cream sandwich. But now we need to put this to the test. Let's take our Sunbather, Sun Tanner, Sunburner outside. Here he is. I just literally walked back into the house and he is cleared up. I was outside for 5 minutes and just barely got any sunburn on his shoulders. I did get plenty on the chest, but hardly any on the face as well. So it's a little disappointing. It's not as sunburned as it shows us on the images on the box that it would be. Hopefully, when I finally get a picture of him to post on Instagram, he will be completely sunburned. Speaking of which, if you haven't checked us out yet, please do so on Instagram. Our name is playmo.af. You can find a lot of our Playmobil content there as well. Well, guys, that concludes our episode of the Sunburned Sunbather. I just made that name up. I don't even know if that's correct. But hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys are finding this guy. I did find him at Barnes & Noble, but I'm sure you can find him at any other store that sells Playmobil products. He is a fun character regardless, and hopefully he works for everybody else. But we will see eventually if he is in full sunburn mode, and of course I will leave you guys an update as soon as we know something. Until then, thanks for watching, guys. Check us out on Instagram if you haven't. Please subscribe to this channel and give us a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next review episode. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great summer. Bye-bye.